So first up on the show, playing a Kameena, Shahid Kapoor's ready to bring on his inner badmash. Is he in good company though? Our consulting film editor Anupama Chopra finds out.
All four of you, your director Parmeet Sethi said that he wrote the script in 6 days, which means that it's either very good or it's very bad. Okay, so were any of you a little concerned about working with a debutant director who's written a script in 6 days?
Can I say something?
Please.
I don't know about everybody, but I know that when I was given the script, I did not know who was the director and who had written it.
Yeah, I think that's pretty much everybody.
Yeah.
None of us knew that.
I knew who the director was, but I didn't know what the script was about.
And apparently you didn't even read it before saying yes.
I just said yes.
Did you guys even read it?
Yeah.
Yes, we did.
We did.
But yeah, I think what happened was basically Adi called me on one day. He said, "Shahid, there's a script. I want you to read it." I said, "Oh, great. Who's the director?" He said, "Oh, he's a new guy." So I said, "Obviously, he must be having a name." No, you should read the script. So I said, "I mean, if it's a new guy, then why don't you want to tell me the name?" No, you read the script. So I said, "Okay, fine." So I figured out that basically it's somebody who I know, but he's debuting as a director. And he doesn't want to tell me the name because he thinks it'll influence my opinion or it'll color my perspective towards the script. So then when I reached the office, he said, "Achha, by the way, the guy who's directing the film has written it and written the dialogues and done the screenplay. Now you read it." So, so then he walked off and we met 2 hours later and I honestly really loved the script. And at that time, actually, I probably wouldn't have been able to do the film because Dad's film was supposed to start earlier. Obviously, that's, got pushed ahead by a few months because he was still scripting. And so I was pretty clear that I won't be able to do this film, but it was more like a relationship and things like that. But I read the script and I really liked it. And then he came in and then he told me who the director was. And I was honestly very surprised because, we all have this set perception towards people on the basis of how much exposure we've had towards them. And I never thought that somebody like Parmeet, on the basis of whatever my understanding of him as an actor or the work I've seen, would write a con job film like this, which was so young and so fresh. And so I really, really liked the script. And then I met Parmeet and suddenly I saw him in this new light guy who I had visualized very differently. But I guess that's what it's about. And I really do feel, and I told Parmeet this, I think this is his true calling. I was telling him, what were you doing acting all these years, man? You should have been a director. Because honestly, I'm really, really happy with the script that came my way. And fortunately, we could work things out and I could do it. Also, I got a little, मैं थोड़ा लालची हो गया जब मैंने script पढ़ी कि I don't want to let the script go. But yeah, that's how it is. I mean, you see so many directors. And if you meet Vishal Bhardwaj, you'd never think he'd make a film like Kameena because he's, in kurta pajamas and always very, very, tehzeebdar and speaks so well and he's so senior in so many ways. But I guess that's what it's all about, yeah. And I'm really happy that I'm doing this film with Parmeet. And honestly, it doesn't matter to me whether he wrote it in 6 days or in 6 months because eventually when I read the script, I really liked it.
It comes together.
Yeah, very well actually, yeah.